Okay, so let me introduce you guys to Qur. So these are Qur's clip balms. As you can see, clip balm. They clip on anything. I've been clipping them a lot on the inside pockets of my handbags. They work great on jeans. It's really great for grab and go, especially right now, since, you know, we are just wanting things just right at our fingertips, not touching things, not putting them, you know, on the tables or anything like that. So it's super great for that. And by the way, excuse my nail. I literally just chipped and here we are, so that's okay. So as you can see, you just, you know, push it up. And so these come in a set of two. So there's two different sets. So this is the set that is called the Clarity and Unplugged, and this one is the Clarity. And so the Clarity is more of like a fresh mint kind of smell and taste, where this one is the Unplugged, and this one is more like rose. And the thing that I like about these lip balms is they do the job, but they're not too heavy. Like, they don't overpower, which I cannot stand. So this is like perfect for me because it's coverage, it does the job, but it's not a nuisance when you're wearing it. So it's ideal. And so anyways, another thing I like about this company is it's female founded and female owned, and everyone who works there is a woman. So we love supporting women owned businesses. So check it out. I think you guys are really going to love these. I really, really